Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tech review. Today I'm diving into the HOLLYLAND LARK M2 microphone. Is it the ultimate mic for you? Let's find out. Okay, so whether you're a budding podcaster, a YouTuber, or a professional in the audio field, choosing the right microphone is crucial. Now, the HOLLYLAND LARK M2 has been making waves, and I'm here to break down why. First off, the LARK M2 is super compact. This thing is tiny, folks. It's all about portability without sacrificing quality. You can literally fit this mic in your pocket, making it perfect for on-the-go recordings. Now let's talk setup. It's a breeze. The LARK M2 features a plug-and-play design. No complicated setups, no mess of wires. You just plug it in and you're good to go. This is a huge plus for anyone who needs to set up quickly at different locations. Sound quality, this is where it gets interesting. The LARK M2 offers crisp, clear audio capture. It's built with noise reduction technology that works to filter out unwanted background sounds. So, whether you're recording indoors or out in a busy street, this mic holds its own. But here's a cool feature, the real-time audio monitoring. You can listen to what you're recording live. This means no surprises in post-production. You get instant feedback on your audio quality. For professionals, this is a game changer. Now, no product is without its cons. The LARK M2, while versatile, might not replace your studio mics just yet. It's fantastic for field recordings and casual setups, but for those deeply nuanced sessions, you might still lean towards more specialized equipment. So, is the HOLLYLAND LARK M2 the ultimate mic for you? If you're looking for something lightweight, easy to use, with great sound quality for most scenarios, then yes, it's a fantastic choice. But if you're recording orchestras or require detailed soundscaping, you might want to keep this as your on-the-go or secondary mic. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one. Scene 2, deep dive into HOLLYLAND LARK M2 features. Now, let's take a deeper dive into the features of the HOLLYLAND LARK M2. One standout feature is its impressive battery life. You can record for hours without needing to recharge, which is perfect for long sessions. The charging port is conveniently placed, and the battery indicator keeps you informed. Another great aspect is its durability. The LARK M2 can handle various weather conditions, making it ideal for outdoor use. Whether it's windy or rainy, this mic performs consistently well. Let's talk about range. The LARK M2 offers a solid wireless range, allowing you to move freely without losing connection. This is especially useful for dynamic recordings where you need to move around. The control buttons are intuitive and easy to use, giving you quick access to essential functions. You can easily adjust settings on the fly, which is a big plus for live recordings. Compatibility is another strong point. The LARK M2 works seamlessly with various devices, from cameras to smartphones. This versatility makes it a go-to choice for content creators who use multiple devices. The build quality is top-notch with a robust design that feels premium. It's clear that a lot of thought went into making this microphone both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The noise reduction feature is another highlight. It effectively minimizes background noise, ensuring your recordings are clean and professional. You can really hear the difference when you